So Jia and Zhang just defeated World Championship silver medalist Perletan and Thinna and world number 2, and scores were 21-14 and 21-11. Let's just talk about what went wrong for Perletan and Thinna. First of all, in first set 11-10, when Perletan and Thinna were leading with 1 point, I thought that yes, both are playing good, both pairs are playing good. That coordination between Jia, Zhang and Perletan, everything was looking fine, but then complete change in game. 16-12 score, 16 Jia Zhang, 5 consecutive points for Jia and Zhang, and that changed the whole scenario of first set. After that 11-10 scores, Perletan and Thinna both were looking little bit slow on court, little bit slow on net, and I will say that in first set after 11-10 scores, Perletan and Thinna started losing rallies by not attacking. They were trying to do some rallies with drops, flat shots, but attack, that Perletan attack that I know her for, was missing. And one place where Jia Zhang targeted was the empty spaces. And what I talk about empty spaces is placing. Their placing was crazy good, and 21-14 Jia Zhang won first set. In break, I saw Zhang was wearing back support, and this back support I saw 2 months ago in Zhang when they performed against Perletan and Thinna too. So I don't know she's healed from back or not and what's the issue going on, but in first set and second set, nowhere I can see that injury issue with Zhang. She was performing her 10,000% on court. She was giving her 10,000% with back injuries too. So Zhang was literally impressive today. There was a simple strategy by China. First of all, they were doing some surprise drop shots, and I will say that on sideline and center too. And what was happening, that Perletan and Thinna were getting a little bit confused to lift those shuttle from center. And second, due to those surprise drops, Perletan or Thinna has to lift, and then Jia and Zhang go for attack, and then completing the rally into, I will say that, empty spaces or body smashes or sideline smashes. These were common for Jia Zhang in second set. Jia Zhang literally were trying to open up the court so that they do placing and get points. This strategy for Jia Zhang was literally working, and their scores literally proves that 10-2 in second set. Jia Zhang at 10-2 Perletan, and then 5 consecutive points for Malaysia. And I thought that yes, maybe third set is coming. Let me tell you the craziest rally of 16-10. This was the rally. These are the scores for second set, and that really, the placing of Perletan on net was crazy. How he did that placing, and I was just impressed how her racket skills are improving and improving. They lost the second set with 21-11, and clear sign in last few moments, 4 or 5 points. They were literally doing errors. I have never seen Malaysian pair doing this level of errors in any matches, even in World Championships, or take any of their matches. They don't usually do this level of errors in any game, but kudos to Jia Zhang. They were better pair today. And one thing that I liked about Jia Zhang today is their coordination. As I talked about in World Championships match 2, that Jia Zhang were literally colliding on court, and that was the issue. But today, the coordination level, the attack level, the mindset level was completely different. This is their 5th final this year, and I hope they will perform crazy good in finals too. We will see Perletan and Thinna in China Masters next week. Let's hope they perform very good, as they are number 2. So all the best for Perletan and Thinna, and Jia Zhang are into finals. So see you in next video. Bye bye. If you are interested in different type of badminton stories, this playlist is for you. Click here and enjoy badminton stories.